secret giveaway. I think secret giveaways are my favorite kinds of giveaways. So I am here today, soap fans, to draw the winner for the soap and lotion gift set. So basically, if you are subscribed to the newsletter and you knew about the secret giveaway and you entered the secret giveaway, then what you did was put in an entry for a soap and lotion gift set. So the winner's gonna win both. And I said if you wanted to pick one fragrance for the soap and one fragrance for the lotion, then that's totally fine with me, because that way you get to kind of test out all of the, or at least two of the different fragrances if you wanted to, but some people just wanted to try one to double layer the amazingness. So I have all of your names written on my little spring themed soap bubbles for a spring soap giveaway, and I'm just gonna flip them all over, mix them all up, and see who wins the soap and lotion. The lotion's really good too. Matter of fact, I'll show you my lotion. This is my, I think Lily was the most popular lotion. Here's my Lily. So you can kind of see the consistency. I've had this made for a while, so it doesn't look quite as pretty, but it's a nice and thick and creamy lotion. It's never watery. It's very, very silky and glidey and all of the things I need it to be. So I thought you guys might like one of these too. All of these fragrances are so good for spring, so I just thought, you know what, I gotta do it. I was mostly motivated by the fact that I wanted some for myself, and I thought maybe you might like some too. So, okay, I'm gonna, you know what? Rather than doing it this way, why don't I do, well, no, okay, let's do it this way. I was thinking maybe I could do a little lotion roulette here, but let's go with our soap bubbles here. So I've already got them mixed up. Okay, so I'm just gonna close my eyes and kind of reach down in and get one of the, get something I like from the bottom. Let's go with this one. Okay, so the winner of the secret lotion and soap giveaway is, oh my gosh, Robin. Now this is Robin, her handle is Baroda. I think Robin is in Australia too, and I've emailed back and forth with her. Yay! She picked the Paul soap and the Lily lotion. Yay! I am so excited, Robin. You're gonna love this. Congratulations. That is a really, really cool. This is so fun because I know all of you, so, and you guys have entered multiple giveaways, and so it's nice to actually be able to send some lovely handmade stuff from my heart to you in your home. Congratulations, Robin. You're awesome. You're gonna love these babies. And I'm gonna toss the extras into my little pop-up shop at GenoaCitySoap.com if you would like to grab these, or if you want to sign up for the newsletter and make sure you get in on the next giveaway. All of that good stuff is at GenoaCitySoap.com. I've got lots of new stuff planned for summer, so there's more on the way. Congratulations again, Miss Robin. I love all of you, and thank you so much for your wonderful comments and participation. It really means so much to me. I just love the positive encouragement and reinforcement. It keeps me going. So thanks again, everybody. I love you. Have a good one, and congratulations, Robin.